Cline is making waves as an open source AI coding agent, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into its features and functionality to see if it's worth your time and trust. Cline positions itself as an AI tool designed to assist developers by generating code snippets, suggesting improvements, and even debugging. It aims to be a helpful companion for both novice and experienced programmers. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and straightforward, which is a huge plus for those who might be intimidated by complex tools. The core functionality revolves around its ability to understand natural language queries and respond with relevant code. This is where Cline shines. Its capacity to translate user requests into practical coding solutions is impressive. However, while the concept is fantastic, I notice some areas that could use improvement. For instance, the documentation feels a bit sparse, leaving users with questions about certain functionalities. Additionally, it's unclear how well it integrates with existing coding environments, which could be a deal breaker for some developers. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Cline. On the plus side, it's open source, which means it's accessible and customizable, a big win for the developer community. The potential for community-driven improvements is also exciting. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, especially for those new to coding or AI tools. Moreover, while the AI does a decent job at generating code, it sometimes lacks the nuance that an experienced developer would provide. This could lead to errors or inefficient code that needs manual adjustments. If you're a beginner, you might find it helpful, but seasoned developers might feel it falls short in more complex scenarios. In conclusion, Cline is a promising tool for those looking to enhance their coding experience, especially for beginners. However, if you're an experienced developer, you might want to explore other options that offer deeper integration and more robust features. Overall, it's worth checking out, but manage your expectations.